Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT TAB 10, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. First, we should launch the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why I tap to install, and after that we should wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we should click here to open the app and tap to enable in settings. Now here near green Apple keyboard you should click once on the switcher, tap again, OK, and let's go back to the application. After that here we should click to switch input methods and to switch our currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go, for example, to the app search here. And now we can see the new look of our device keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.